Hi, I'm Dr. Arshnur from Dr. Arshnur's IELTS Institute. In the series of cue cards from May 2022 to August 22, today's topic is talk about a time when you got stuck in a traffic jam. And the cues are when it was, where you were going, how you stuck in the jam, and what you did. The sample answer for this cue card is undoubtedly traffic jam is becoming a major issue in almost all big and small cities, and the impact of it on our lives is also horrible. Congestion in traffic is affecting physically, mentally, financially, socially, and psychologically. Being stuck in a traffic jam for a long time not only wastes time but harms you physically and also causes too much stress that affects anyone's work competency. I'm going to share one of my such experiences when I had to spend approximately 2 hours in a dreadful traffic jam. It is an incident of last summer. I had to go to Chandigarh to deliver a lecture in a workshop, and I had to reach there by 9:30. It was an hour's journey from my house, and I am a pre-punctual person, so I started by 8 a.m. I hardly had covered 20 minutes run when I saw a long queue of cars, motorbikes, and other vehicles on the road. I was a bit upset but still confident to reach my workshop on time because I started before time. Then, to pass time and to avoid stress, I started listening to my favorite song. For first few minutes, I was calm and enjoying the music, whereas people were either infuriating or abusing for not finding their way to move forward. After 15 to 20 minutes, when I realized that the traffic was not getting sorted and not moving even inch, and I was stuck amidst the sea of vehicles, I became distressed. I was not finding any way to move back, left or right, as there was no way. The worst part was that my fuel tank was nearly empty. I thought that I would have get it filled on the way, but the condition really became out of my hands. I asked someone about the reason for the jam and came to know that a tanker had capsized on the narrow bridge and left no place for the vehicles to move on. I switched off my car and found myself miserable. There was no chance to move anywhere. The flood of people on the road, no movement, scorching hot day, sun shining on the heads. What else can be added to understand the misery of the people compelled to be on the road? After 2 hours of torment, at last I saw some motion on the road. The vehicle started advancing inch by inch. It was already 10:30 and I sensed that I had lost the opportunity to show my presentation in the workshop, for which I had worked for more than 2 months. It took 3 hours to clear the crowd on the road, and I reached my destination at 12 noon. Though I attended the rest part, but I missed the great opportunity of my life. I still have goosebumps whensoever I recall this incident. Now let's have a look on the vocabulary word I have used in this cue card. First is impact. Impact means effect. Second is competency. Competency means capability or ability. Pre-punctual, before the time. Infuriated means angered. Sorted, soiled. Capsized means overturned. Torment, agonized or a torture. Goosebumps, it is cold sweats or shivering with anxiety or fear. Distressed, it is troubled or disturbed. Dreadful, this means horrible. So in this way, we can use these vocabulary words to make our speaking cue card effective. Hope you like this video. Stay connected for further updates on our channel. Do not forget to subscribe our channel if you haven't done till now. Must share the video if you like it and press the bell icon and like button. Thanks for watching. Stay connected. Thanks so much.